A huge weather pattern change will be coming to the United States over the next several days. We're going to flip entirely, going from record-breaking cold temperatures to very warm weather by mid-September. Additionally, severe weather is possible today for tens of millions across the East Coast with damaging winds, hail, and even a few tornadoes possible. And lastly, we'll go in-depth on the tropics, where we're tracking a developing system east of the Lesser Antilles and a Category 4 hurricane in the Pacific barreling toward Hawaii. We'll break down everything you need to know about the U.S. forecast for the next 7 days. Yesterday, storms stretched from North Texas to the Ohio Valley. In Texas, damage was reported near Dallas-Fort Worth, including an RV flipped on Highway 75 near Anna, just outside McKinney. In Tennessee and West Virginia, damaging winds and lightning caused widespread issues. Now storms are shifting east. Moisture remains in place across the southern plains and southeast this weekend. Meanwhile, in the northeast, a trough and strong southwesterly flow are setting the stage for severe weather. Damaging winds and tornadoes are possible this afternoon. Looking at the jet stream and mid-level flow, we currently have strong northwesterly flow bringing cold Canadian air into the Midwest and Ohio Valley. A large low-pressure system sits just north of New England, while ridging dominates the Rockies and West Coast. As we move into late weekend and early next week, that low consolidates north of New England, keeping the region cool. Meanwhile, ridging expands, shutting down Canadian cold airflow. By Monday and Tuesday, warm air builds across the Great Plains and Midwest. By Wednesday and Thursday, a massive high pressure in the mid and upper levels makes it feel like summer's back. The Plains, Midwest, and Ohio Valley will heat up significantly. Toward next weekend, a low-pressure system west of the Rockies could shift east, bringing the return of severe weather to the central and northern plains. Now, temperatures. This weekend, cold in the Midwest and Great Lakes, moving east into New England by Monday. Early week, Rockies and Plains warm quickly with frost confined to northern Minnesota. By midweek, Midwest bounces back into the 80s and 90s. By next weekend, extreme heat possible in Missouri and Iowa near triple digits. Bottom line, enjoy the cooler weekend. Summer heat is about to roar back. Today, Saturday, a slight risk of severe weather stretches from southern Maine to eastern Pennsylvania. A marginal risk extends from central Maine to northern Georgia. Threats include damaging winds scattered to numerous, large hail up to half-dollar size, tornadoes, highest risk in western Massachusetts, NW Connecticut, SE New York. Storm timing, late morning, early afternoon, storms fire in eastern Pennsylvania and SE New York. 4-5 p.m., storms hit western Massachusetts and New York City. 6-7 p.m., storms push toward Boston, Rhode Island, and southern New Hampshire. After sunset, activity weakens to showers and isolated storms with lightning. Sunday, just scattered storms from the southeast through the Rockies and northwest. Next week looks quiet overall, with only isolated severe risks. The Atlantic. A tropical wave east of the Lesser Antilles now has a medium chance of development. Dry air is slowing it down, but possible tracks include the Caribbean, Bahamas, or even the U.S. East Coast. Odds remain low, but it's worth monitoring. A second wave behind it has a better chance around Sept 12-14. The Central American gyre may also spin up late next week, with a small chance of Gulf development. The Pacific Hurricane Kiko, Category 4, is barreling toward Hawaii. By Monday, Tuesday, it could pass dangerously close to the northern islands. Forecasts show Kiko weakening to a tropical storm but still packing 60-70 miles per hour winds and storm surge threats. Tropical storm watches may be issued soon. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. We may live stream later today if severe weather escalates in the northeast. Our winter forecast 2025-2026 drops tomorrow or Monday. The next regular forecast video is planned for Wednesday or Thursday.